Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are showcasing the new AWE Touring exhaust for the 2022 and up Subaru WRX. Thanks for AWE for sending this system out for the video. Now let's get right into the review. So here inside the box, if you guys did see my last video on my GR86, we do have the same system on there as well. We also reviewed the track system as well. All of their exhaust systems are shipped with this much packaging. So if you are ever worried about having a damaged exhaust, you will not get one with AWE. And if anything did happen, they will send you out a new part. And then here are the mufflers and all the piping. Looks absolutely beautiful, and those welds look really good on the AWE systems. One awesome thing about this exhaust system that they sent out is it has the touring mufflers just like my GR86, and it has no drone at all. They have their no drone technology on the mufflers, so I really recommend you guys check it out and get one of these, since the OEM exhaust is not loud but has so much drone on the inside of the car. So this actually eliminates that, and it sounds really good on the outside. And then inside of the small box included, you're gonna have your 4 tips. We opted in for the diamond black tips, which are the same ones I have on my GR86, and they look absolutely beautiful. I love the diamond black tips they offer. Definitely think it's a worthy upgrade for the AWE exhaust systems. But here is what they look like. They are slant cut, so very aggressive looking and so shiny. And then every single system does come with a blow pop. If you guys didn't know, AWE always includes one of these suckers so that you guys can enjoy one while you're installing your new exhaust. And then right over here we have the installation instructions, and if you guys need that, they include all of that on a QR code. But here we have everything laid out. Let's get right into the install. So here we got the car up on race ramps. It's the same thing I used for my Civic. My GR86 does not fit on these, but it worked perfectly for the WRX. And now we're going to be installing the exhaust system just backed up onto these ramps, which work really well. So I'll link those in the description down below for you guys to use if you want to install the system all by yourself. But here's what the OEM exhaust looks like underneath the car. Very skinny piping, very restrictive. And this AWE is going to make this thing open up. And then here are some sound clips of the stock exhaust. So here's what the stock exhaust looks like underneath. The piping is just so restrictive. And now you guys are going to be installing a 3-inch exhaust system on your new WRX, so it's going to sound a whole lot better. And then here's one of the hangers you're going to be popping off. And then you just take off the hangers on each side of the mufflers as well. To do that, we do have a hanger removal tool that I got on Amazon, so I'll link that in the description down below as well. I'll link all the different tools that I needed for this install, but you basically just go ahead and put it up there where the hanger is, and just the tool pops it right out instead of working for 10 minutes by yourself sweating underneath your car. And then here's the first piece that gets installed. It's a very small piece, easy to put on, and it does tell you which side to put on the bottom, so it fit perfectly. And then we got some other pieces put on real quick, just attached it with the little clamp in the middle, put on that hanger, and then all we're gonna have to do is install the mufflers on each side and put those hangers in. But overall, very easy install, anybody can do it, and let's hear what this thing sounds like. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the new AWE Touring exhaust system install and sound clips. Thanks again to AWE for sending this exhaust system out for the video. If you guys do own a 2022 and up WRX, I highly recommend this, and it does have no drone in these touring mufflers, so really recommend you guys check it out. There's like no interior drone at all, and sounds like a beast on the outside. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Check out the exhaust in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.